Hi everyone, welcome to my art class. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Labor Day free bird. You ready? Let's starting it. Okay. All right. Today you will need yellow paper, scissors, glue stick, 1 spoon, 1 wiggly eyes, and 1 paper plate. Crepe papers with 2 colors, blue and red, tape, and also you need the acrylic paint. You can use watercolor for paint, or you can use oil pastel or marker, anything your choice. Okay, so that's starting it. And first one, I have this white plate. Let's clean table a little bit. Okay, let me put the stuff away. So first one, you will need a plate. And I want you to see this middle line. And then that's cut in half. You can see I start to cut in half. I want to assemble it first, okay? All right, so this one will be half going to for the wing, and then I'm going to have this one cut in other half. Cut in half, but we only use one part, okay? So this one you can just go ahead and throw it away. You don't need it. So we need these 2 parts. And then next one, I'm going to use tape to tape it together, okay? So what I'm going to do, you can do it this way, okay, or this way. It's really up to you, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it over, and then I'm going to tape it right here. So before I tape it, I want to make sure, it looks good. All right, like that, a little bit in, I think, like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tape it right here. Tape it right here. You can use glue, okay? You can use glue, but because this one it's a little bit bumpy, so when you tape the glue, it takes time to dry, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm just take the tape. You can see I take the tape and tape it on the back like that, so it won't come off. All right, very sturdy. All right, next one I like to do for the head part. The head part, first I like to glue the wiggly eyes on the top, okay? So take the glue. I use glue stick. You can use Tacky glue too, okay? You can take the Tacky glue too. So what I'm going to do, I take the glue stick, grab a little bit, you see the purple, right? And then I glue it on the top, like that. All right, and then next one, I want you to have this orange paper, and I want to make the beads, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a triangle. Let me show it to you. Make a triangle. Can make it a little bit bigger, and then we cut it out, okay? Here's the triangle. And next one, let's cut it out. Cut it out. I cut it a little bit bigger, okay? All right, this, you see this triangle? And you can start to glue it on the back or in the front. It's up to you, okay? See which side you like it. I like to be on the back, okay? So what I'm going to do, I take glue and put some glue on the back. And take the triangle I did and glue over the top. So you see when I flip, it looks like that. All right. Next one, I'm going to join together. This is going to be my bird. You can tilt it a little bit. Okay, you can make it straight. It's up to you. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it over and then use tape to tape it all together. So tape, and take the bird, make sure you tape it well. Yeah, especially these two hands, make sure you tape it well. All right, one more on the bottom. Here and here, tape it well. And then if you don't feel it's secure, you can have another one. And make sure you tape well. And that's it, okay? You see, this one. And then next one, I want you to have this one quick paper. It depends on how long you like it, okay? Some students like it longer, some students like it shorter. It's up to you, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut one piece, okay? And I'm going to have a one right here, one right here. If you want to have a more than one, you're welcome to do that. Okay, so for example, first I cutting two, and then this stripe I cut it again, but without cutting all the way through. Okay, leave a little bit like that. Okay, and the other one too, cut in half and leave a little bit uncut, and then we are going to glue it on later. Okay, and I'm going to do the blue one. See how long you like it. It's going, this color I want to do it on the tail. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and cut it. And then cut it again. This one, okay, without cut it through. Okay, same thing to this one. Cut in half without cut it through and leave a little bit. Okay, all right, and then we are going to start to glue it on. We're done for the cutting part. All right, and then for the glue part, we want to flip this one over. Right here on the corner, I can use glue or tape. Okay, so you can use glue or tape. I use glue, put it on. You can see it, and I glue this one over the top. You know what? This one, it's easier. You do it this way. A lot of students, you know, instead of doing this way, they put glue on the paper and then the paper rip. And you know, they start to getting frustrated. Don't do that, okay? So you can do it without putting glue right here. Put glue on your plate. And then you glue it over the top like that. That's it, all right? And then for the tail part, right here, I put glue to 1 and 2 parts. In one part, I put it over right here. Another one, I put it over here. So make sure you glue it well. You can tilt a little bit or together. It's really up to you, okay? Like that. Okay, I'm going to flip it over. You can see basically my bird is ready to paint. Okay, let me put the tape away. Okay, clean up a little bit my table. Okay, and then next one, I'm ready to paint. Usually I have a paper plate, and then I put paint, open it, and I squeeze some red paint. Don't squeeze too much if in case you do too much, it's going to waste. So just a little bit is good, not too much. All right, and I have a blue and red pen ready. And next one, I'm going to have a brush. And the brush I use, you can see this one is flat. Okay, so we are ready to paint. I like to paint the body part first. So I take the red color. And you see here has a circle rim, right? And then we are going to just go ahead and painting it. All right, let me put it on the side. Right here, put it on the side. And I like to trace it first. Trace. Take a little pen. I like to trace first before I paint. Trace. Okay. And then when you're painting it, don't use too much water. Otherwise it's gonna get it really messy. Okay, you see first brush I didn't use water at all for the acrylic paint. And I just take the pen, spray out the paint, paint it over. Okay, this is the fun part. You get to make the craft, and then you also get to paint. Okay, just brush on. I know it's easier, right? And then thin layer, I want you to do thin layer because acrylic dry pretty fast. And then if you do thin layer, you don't get too messy. Thin layer, okay? Thin layer. Okay, here we go. Okay, and then right here I want to do blue color. And then here, what you can do, you can have a triangle, any kind of shape, not necessary to be like the way I'm painting it. You can do a rectangle and square, any kind of shape you like it, okay? Any kind. So this one, I'm going to have the blue paint next, okay? So let me put this one on the side, and I'm going to take the blue paint. And I start to painting it. You see here I have a line already. Usually I like to use those lines to begin with, okay? You can just go ahead and painting it. I take two rim, okay? Take two rim and then paint it over. And then skip Okay, skip. I want you to skip and then paint. You are gonna design how big the space you are gonna skip. Okay, you can, but not too far from each other. All right. Painting it, paint. I leave a little bit white rim. I don't know if I like it. I will see. Okay. If I don't like it, you know, I can paint it over later. Okay. Okay. Right here, and then we skip. I think I skip just like, you know, a little bit, not much. Okay. And then paint. I take two, okay, two section. You can see up and down, right? And then I take two section, and then I paint it. Now you can change your pattern to, you know, triangle, square. It's really up to you. Okay. I think I like to paint it over because it looks more free, more flying. Got the feeling like, you know, flying. So I want to paint it over. Yeah, I like this way better. Okay, and skip a little bit, and then paint. Little by little. And then paint, skip. Paint little by little. Skip. Paint little by little. Skip. Paint little by little. Skip. Like that. Little more. More. And more. The last one, okay? Last one. Okay. A little bit more. I like it a little bit thicker. And then you know why I choose white plate and blue and red paint? Because it's our American flag color. Red, white, blue, right? You see like that? And then we do decoration after, okay? And then right now I want to do a little bit more on the tail. So I'm going to switch back to the red one. Okay. Switch it to the red paint. Let me bring it down so you can see it. Switch it to the red paint and then keep your hand clean, okay? Keep your hand clean so your bird won't look too messy, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to paint the red color. Okay, put down this one a little bit. I want to hold it and paint. Red. Now this kind of practice, I like it because it's a pattern, you know. Pattern you learn, you know, skip painting. This is really good practice for the younger friend, okay? Okay, I have the red one. And I'm going to do the blue one. And it's skip, all right? Blue one after. Blue one. The blue one brush a little bit smaller. Kind of like nice, you know, you have a thick and thin, those kind of combination. So let's do that, okay? Okay. And then of course you can play color, you know, I have a student do light, medium, dark, and that would be, you know, more advanced. So if you want, you can do light, medium, dark tone, light, medium, dark tone, and then your bird will look much prettier, okay? Okay, skip, leave some space in between and back to the red. Back to the red color. Okay. Back to the red. Sometimes you can turn different angle and get a, you know, better way to make it all straight. This is good. Fix the previous one. Okay. Next one, let's do blue. Skip. Okay, you need to skip, okay? And pen blue. Here we go. And then red again. Skip. Okay. Paint. That is so fun, right? Here we go. See if it's good. Check on a little bit. I think this one too thin. Here we go. Okay, and then blue. Okay, a little bit off here. Here we go. And then red, the last one, red again, okay? The last one, red again. And I'm going to flip this way. Do it a little bit precisely, just a little bit. Here we go, like that. And then keep it clean, okay? Keep it clean, not too messy. And then you can keep on doing it. I think I'm going to have another brush. I want to do a little bit pointy dots. I think it would be nice have a blue and red dots around it. So I'm taking a little bit red. Let's see. On the blue, I think I used red, okay? Two red, maybe. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then I can have another brush for the blue. For the blue, I think I can only have a one, but a little bit bigger. Like that. One, but a little bit bigger. Now break the regulation when you do design. Don't always do the same size, same space, same shape. Change it a little bit. And of course, you know, you can do your own design. You don't have to copy me. But think about it, how you use the red, white, and blue to design your free bird. Okay. Free like a bird. Okay. Here we go. And then depends on how, you know, even though here, if you like, you can put some, because acrylic it will stay. You can even put some decorations around your spoon, something like that. It will be fun, you know, doing that. I change it to red. Okay, it looks cute, right? All right. Okay, and then of course you can do some more on the blank area. I think I'm done. I'm going to show you in a different view. Look how the bird look alike. Ready? Okay, here we go. Ta-da! Let me hold it. Dun, dun, dun. That's the Paper Day free bird. Like this project? Do you like this project? I hope you enjoy it and happy Labor Day. Okay, everyone, see you next week. Bye bye. Have fun. Happy long weekend.